The Ministry of Health and Wellness, through its holiday season message, noted the increased incidence of injury, accidents and admissions for chronic disease. Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Sharon Belma-George says some sufferers of chronic illness, such as diabetes and hypertension, neglect to take their medication during the festive season.
We make a special appeal to the general public to ensure that you stay healthy both during the festive season 2020 and beyond. We would like to advise the public that especially persons who are with chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension, that you stay on your medication. Many people stop taking their meds during this season. We ask persons to ensure you take your medication regularly to ensure that your blood pressure and your blood sugar or any other illness that you may be managing is well controlled both during the Christmas season and beyond.
The Ministry of Health also made a special appeal on the safe preparation and storage of foods.
We continue to note increases of gastroenteritis during the months of December and also during the months of January. So we ask persons to take the necessary precautions in terms of regular hand washing, to also be cognizant of where they eat, and to ensure the timely storage of any leftover food that they may have, because we know during the season people tend to prepare foods in very large quantities.
She says although precautionary measures need to be taken by food handlers, consumers ought to remain vigilant.
We notice non-traditional established areas where persons sell meat. We ask the public to please ensure that any meat that you are buying, it's from someone who has gone through the inspection of our environmental health department.
With the increased likelihood for alcohol consumption during the festive season and more vehicular traffic on the road as people visit family and friends, Dr. Belma-George appealed to the public to drink within their limits and to ensure there is a sober designated driver.
We note the increases in terms of accidents, the speeding, and we note the increased trauma cases at our public hospitals during the month of December and early January. We also ask when you're going out with groups that we also look out for each other. If your family member or friend has been drinking, volunteer to take them home. We need to look out for each other to ensure our safety during the Christmas season as well. Also, there are many late night activities, so we ask persons to be very to try to look out for their surroundings as much as possible to reduce personal injury during this time.
Authorities have stepped up the release of a number of public safety advisories as the holiday season enters the home stretch as the new year approaches. Lizanne Bovell Jones, HTS News Force.
Don't make reckless decisions.